a gigantic program.
I want to get the word out for GatesLetter.com. How can we help to get people to go to that website?
Well, it'd be great if we could create a viral video.
A viral video? I mean, because it's hard to do stuff like that. I mean, like, it's hard to make a viral video. What would you have in mind?
Maybe something like this. GatesLetter.com. 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 What do you think?
We don't have time for that.
Okay.
Bill Gates, check out GatesLetter.com. We'll be right back with Kate McKinnon, everybody.